Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Must Watch Tips. And today in this video, I'm going to show you that why people use Power BI so much. What are the things that Power BI has that makes it so attractive? So I'll explain this with an example of Gartner's Magic Quadrant. So the Magic Quadrant is graphical representation of market that is used by Gartner. And this quadrant is used to evaluate and compare the vendors with a particular industry. So in this video, it is specifically about business intelligence vendors. So Magic Quadrant is divided into 4 quadrants, which are leaders, visionaries, niche players, and challengers. And the leaders are the vendors that have strong vision of market and have proven a track record in execution. On the other hand, visionaries are the vendors that have a strong vision of the market but have not yet fully demonstrated that ability to execute. Niche players are the vendors that focus on a specific area of the market and have a strong track record of success in that area. And they may not be well known as the leaders or visionaries, but they may be a good choice for business that needs a specific type of BI solution. And challengers are vendors that are trying to break into the market and have not yet achieved a clear leadership position. They may be offering innovative new solutions, but they may not have a same level of experience or resources as the leaders or visionaries. And here is the quadrant where on the x-axis we have completeness of vision and on the y-axis we have ability to execute. So this is the quadrant, magic quadrant for analytics and business intelligence platforms and updated as of January 2023. And here you can see that Microsoft is the leader among all the analytics and business intelligence platforms, followed by Salesforce, that is Tableau, and Quillic. MicroStrategy, Amazon Web Services, and Google are some of the challengers. And as you all know that Power BI belongs to Microsoft, so yes, Power BI is among the leaders of the business intelligence platforms. Now, here are some advantages of Power BI which makes Power BI an extraordinary and outstanding performer. So the first is interactive dashboard and reports. Power BI allows you to create interactive dashboards and reports that can be easily shared with others. These dashboards can be customized to show the information that is most important to you. The second most important is that real-time information. That Power BI can connect to real-time data sources, so you can always see the latest information, and this can help you to make better decisions more quickly. Integration with a wide range of data sources. Now, Power BI can connect with a wide range of data sources, including Excel, SQL Server, and cloud-based data sources. This makes it easy to combine the data from different sources to get a complete picture of your business. Next is Excel integration. And Power BI integrates seamlessly with Excel, so you can easily import and export the data between two platforms. And this makes it easy to use that the data you have already in Excel with Power BI. The most important is that Power BI has frequent updates. Power BI is constantly being updated with new features and functionality. This ensures that you always have a latest tools to analyze your data. Moreover, Power BI can be used with other Microsoft apps such as Microsoft Teams, Microsoft SharePoints, and this makes it easy to share your insights with others and collaborate on projects. In addition to this, Power BI includes a number of AI features that can help you to analyze your data more effectively. These features include natural language processing, machine learning, and predictive analysis. So these are the key points which Power BI has, and as a result, most of the people are using Power BI as business intelligence tool. And that's all for this video. I hope you like this video and you find this video informative. I have uploaded a series of Power BI videos on my channel, so you can visit my channel. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing it. Thank you. Have a great day.